Right, in today's video we're going to have a look at preserving your mushroom genetics. So situation, we've got a nice liquid culture we've got going here. This is one of my Pia Pinos. Now, how am I going to keep this for future use? Well, we can. Simplest way of doing it is to stick it in the fridge. I've got a white beech example here. Now this has been in the fridge and you can see it still grows in the fridge, but obviously the mycelium slows down and we can keep it for quite a while. Now another really simple way of preserving your liquid cultures is to draw them up into liquid culture syringes. What are these? These are a couple of golden oysters I did yesterday, and now again they will keep in the syringe for a really long time, provided they're not exposed to a lot of heat. Now another way of preserving your genetics is to make yourself some spore prints. Now I've got a good selection of spore prints here. Every time I grow something that performs really well, I make myself a little spore print, just put it in foil, label it, and then keeping it for future use. Now I've also got some videos on my channel about how to use spores and how to germinate them on agar, also how to make your spore print in the first place. Now the last way I've got is by using these little sterile urine pots. Now really simple to use. We can use these to make agar slants. Now what an agar slant is we have some agar poured into a pot at an angle, and once that's set, we can put the lid on and keep that in the fridge. Now if we want to preserve our genetics using slants, we just have a look over here in my little fridge I've got here. It's a really simple process of getting some mycelium off your agar plates, transferring it onto the agar in the slant, keeping it warm for a couple of days to let it colonize, and then we can stick them in the fridge and they will again last a very long time. Now you can see this reishi one here. I've actually used this a couple of times to take some samples out to start some new agar plates going, and then I can transfer that agar to grain, or I can transfer it directly into a liquid culture to get another liquid culture going. Now what I'm going to do next, I am going to do some videos on how to actually make the agar slants. We've already got videos on the channel how to make spore prints, drawing up liquid culture syringes, so I am going to get on with that and do another little video, give you a demo on how to make agar slants to preserve your mushroom genetics.